Happy week 16, 8th graders, and I'm going to make this real short and sweet because you have work to do this week and a lot of you have makeup work to do, so short and sweet. Week 16, a new Renaissance, kind of be finishing up our Reconstruction, Industrialization, and Immigration unit, talking about sports and art, really, and birth of a new culture. So back to our regular schedule of a weekly quiz. Take it as a pretest on Monday morning, and then it'll be moved to day 5. On Friday, you can take it again. We have 2 discussion boards to work through for this week, and a variety of videos and some readings to get through as well. So just short and sweet. You know what to do. Let me know if you have any questions. We have on campus on Wednesday. And with that, we're right down here to the end. So those of you that need to get going, please get going. All right, thanks. See you soon.